Hi, little rabbits. It's Miss Wilford. Welcome to Online Learning Week 7, May 4th through 10th. Please follow along. I'm going to go over this week's assignments. On Thursday, we have the Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock. This is for all classes if you'd like help on the grammar page this week or anything else that we're going over. On Friday, your grammar page 30 is going to be due. I want you to use Cami to do it. Let me go over that with you for just a moment. We've got two topics this week. They're both review, but I want to go over them with you anyway. Compound subjects and compound verbs. For compound subjects, like always, the first thing you do is cross out any prep phrases. So in is a preposition, so I ask myself, in what? In Florida, so that's gone. Then you look for any verbs. Vacationed. I'm going to go ahead and use the text box for this because I like the way it prints. Okay, vacationed. Then you look, compound subjects means potentially more than one subject. So you look for who vacationed. Doug vacationed. Whoops, get to drawing. Okay, Doug vacationed and Bride vacationed. Now keep in mind, an and can't go on a vacation. That's why it's not the subject. A his can't go on a vacation. A new can't go on a vacation. So you look for what subjects actually went on the vacation. I'm going to go ahead and text box these as well. My recommendation, as I've said, is to just use text box, but I'm using both right now just to make it as visually clear for you as I can. Oh, this little guy kind of went down. Hold on a sec. There. I had to play around with that for a second. Okay, there we go. So Doug and Bride vacationed in Florida. So that's what a compound subject looks like. Now coming down to compound verbs, same idea in that we get rid of any prep phrases first. Instructor stood, there's a preposition among. So among the students is gone. With them is gone. Okay, then I look for my verbs. Now with compound verbs, there's going to be more than one verb. So chatted, stood, using my text boxes again. Then who chatted and stood among the students with them, that would be instructor. So there's our subject. Okay, that's simple. Keep in mind, we've talked about this in class, but a sentence can have as many subjects or verbs as it wants and still be considered a perfectly good sentence. The example we used to use in class was when I would talk about a triathlon. And like if we were talking about compound subjects, you could say Susie, Matt, Larry, Ted, and Fred participated in the triathlon. All those people would be subjects. So keep in mind a sentence can have as many subjects as it wants. When we're talking about verbs, same type of idea. You could say, sticking with the same triathlon, Johnny ran, biked, and swam in the triathlon. So all those activities are verbs in the sentence. So just want to remind you that a sentence can have as many subjects and verbs as it wants. All right, the next thing on our to-do list is to read the cause and effect explanation page that will be on there for you, and then watch the For the Birds video, and then complete the For the Birds cause and effect chart. So I've included a little video. It's just a little Pixar video on there. And then there's a little chart to fill out for cause and effect that you use following the video. And on Google Classroom, before the video or this, there'll be a little instruction sheet posted on there for you, so please read that. Then after you do that, the next thing to do is the outsiders cause and effect exercises. And you'll need to read the chapters before you tackle this. But once you do that, I think you'll find it very, very reasonable. Keep in mind that the cause produces the result and the effect is the actual result. Okay, so take your time, go nice and slow, read the instruction sheet, and I think this will go very smoothly for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me as always. Keep in mind down at the bottom of our chart, we have the Zoom meeting. Please come and visit me if you have any questions or even just want to say hi. I hope you all have a fantastic week. I love you very much. Take care, sweethearts.